Hi guys, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today we are going to learn the life cycle of an animal. First, we are going to begin with the butterfly. Do you want to learn how the butterfly grew? Okay, first came the eggs, the little eggs, and then came a caterpillar. The caterpillar goes and came in a chrysalis, and the chrysalis came to a beautiful butterfly. Repeat after me. Eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Excellent. Let's do it again. Eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Excellent, guys. Now, come with me and learn about the frog, okay? The frog first, it's a little egg. Then, he came to a tadpole, a little tadpole. Then, it came to a froglet. He has little legs now, a froglet. And then it's a frog, an adult frog. Repeat after me. Frog, tadpole, froglet, and frog. Let's do it again. Frog, tadpole, froglet, and frog. Excellent! You're doing great, guys. And now we are going to learn about the chicken. The chicken came in a little egg. It's like this size. You eat the eggs at the breakfast. Came in an egg, then came in a chick, a little chick. And then he grows to a chicken. Repeat after me. Egg, chick, chicken. Let's do it again. Egg, chick, chicken. Excellent. Now we are going to listen a short story about the life cycle of an animal, okay? Let's listen. This is the story of Lola Chicken. He's a big chicken and she walks like this. One day, she put a little egg. It's the only egg that she puts in her life. And she loves her. It's a little egg and she take care of her. She's my egg, my egg. But one day the egg is moving. What happened? She says. What happened with my egg? And then the egg pop, pop, and it came a little chick and says, what this? She says. It's my little daughter, a little chick. She and her little baby, the chick, go to the farm walking like this. And the cow asks, what happened, Lola Chicken? What's that came with you? Oh, she says, it's my baby chick. Hi, says the baby chick. Oh, it's beautiful, says the cow. And baby chick and the mama hen goes walking like this. The years pass and pass, and the baby chick came to a big chicken. He is fat and tall and walk like this. the baby chick grew and came to a big chicken. Wow! Now you know what happened, the life cycle of an animal. The Lola chicken put an egg. The egg came a baby chick, and the chick grew to a big chicken. Now you can saw the video again and repeat the life cycle of different animals again, okay? The butterfly, the frog, and the chicken. Excellent, guys. Bye. See you later.